Welcome back to my channel. In this PHP Foreach Loop tutorial, we'll take a detailed look at how we can use this loop for efficient traversal of arrays. The Foreach loop is especially convenient when we want to iterate over the elements of an array. Let's see how it works. Let's first examine the syntax of the Foreach loop. $array, the array to be traversed. $value, the value of the current element in the loop. Let's create a simple example. Let's create an array called $fruits containing 3 fruit names, apple, banana, and orange. Now let's create our loop to iterate over the array. With the for each keyword, we traverse the $fruits array. After as, we provide a temporary variable name, here named $fruit. This variable represents the current array element in each iteration. This line is responsible for printing the current fruit to the browser. The value of $fruit changes in each iteration as the loop goes through every element in the $fruits array. The for each loop is also ideal for traversing associative arrays. Let's look at the next example. Let's create an associative array named $person. This is an array that contains key value pairs. For example, name is the key, and John is the value. Now, let's loop through the $person array. With the for each keyword, we traverse the $person array. After as, we provide 2 temporary variable names, $key and $value. $key represents the current key, and $value represents the current value in the loop. This line prints the current key value pair to the browser. The values of $key and $value change in each iteration as the loop goes through the $person array. Thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful PHP tutorials. Happy coding!